Okay, this time we are going to solve basic VTP configuration. This type of laboratory is the tough one. It's because all the ports are shut down. So we need to uh, reconfigure all the settings behind the VTP configuration. Now first, most of you um, most sa akong instruction is that you need to read first the instruction. Learning objective, perform the basic switch configuration, configure the Ethernet interface on the host PC. Now, katulo is configure BTP or unsecurity on the switch. Introduction, on this activity, we're going to perform switch configuration, BTP trunking, and learn about BTP modes, distribute VLAN information, assign ports to VLAN, then initial networks open in a secure with all ports administrative shutdown. So only the available ports are up and all not available ports are shut down. So ikaw as administrator, dapat kabalo ka unsaon pag shutdown sa isa ka port, especially when it comes to security. Now let's proceed to our main goal is to solve this tough BTP configuration. So napa siya sa basic from the word basic. Okay, let's move forward. So under completion, as you can see na ay pagination or page. Kung i-click nimo na yung arrow key na greater sign, mo next kay sa isa ka page. Now, according sa instruction, we need to configure the switch first. So, kinahanglan na to ilisan ang iyang name. So, host name from switch from default name to S1. So, first, let's access the switch. NA, short for enable. Then, confp, short for config terminal. Then, host name. S, capital S, then 1. Then, enable or enable secret class. Okay, just follow the instruction. Then next, no IP domain lookup. Then configure the line 0 since wala man tanag login. Kinahanglan na to i-configure first when it comes to security. So password, Cisco, then login, line BTY or BTY 0 space 15, then retype password Cisco login, line, and day. Then the last command, copy name startup config. Okay, according to the instruction, we need to configure all the switch from switch 1 to switch 3. So, medyo paspasan na to gamay. Si S2 na sa ta or switch 2. So, NA and on FT host name S2, then enable secret class password, sorry, no IP domain lookup. Tama ba? Basin masayop ta. Okay. Line console 0 password Cisco login line bty 015, then retype password, Cisco, then login. The last one is N, then the final execution or copy the running config, then start up. Okay, let's move to our last switch. Okay, NA from FT, short for config terminal, then host name, capital S, then 3, short for switch 3, enable secret class, then no IP domain. Next one, line console 0 to configure the security password, Cisco, and login, line DPY 015, password, Cisco, login, and copy, running, start config. Okay, that's how we are going to set up each router. So let's proceed to next page. So according to completion percentage should be 7%. Since 6% na nakuha, dili na na-review. Medyo hapit ra ang amo ang percentage. So kung naman tayo sa'yo, always remember to check the results. So next task number 2, configure the internet interface host PC. So kinahanglan na natin configure ang internet interface from PC1 to PC6. Saan man nato pag-configure? Balik ta sa addressing table. So first, PC1. As you can see, na-name na PC1. Ready mo mag-label desktop, then configure IP. Just copy the existing or the default addressing table IP address. First, 172.17.10.21. Tab, click tab, 255, click tab, then another 172.17.10.1. Okay? Sige na sa'yo ta. 172, 17, 10, 21, 255, 17, 10, that one. Okay. So, desktop configuration, another config for PC2. 172.17.20.22 and 255, then gateway 117.17.20.1. Let's proceed to PC3 desktop configuration 172.17.30.23. Change tablet mask, also the gateway 17.30.1. Okay. Also with PC4 172.17.10.24 subnet mask 2.5, then gateway 172.17.10.1. Okay, PC5 desktop IP address 172.17.20.25, then subnet mask 255.0.117, 172.17 dash 20 dot 20.1. Okay, the next one is the last one is PC 6172.17.30.26, then subnet mask 255, gateway 172.17.30.1. Medyo familiar na kay nako. Once na same ra sila og ah, network IP, so usually mo na yung multi-MILAN. O, since gagamit siya og same network IP, so akong last nga ginatanaw is ang third octet o ang fourth octet. Okay? That's for configuring the all PC from 1 to 6. So let's go back to our uh, instruction. Completion percentage should be 19%. Okay, 19% close to our current completion. Now let's proceed to task 3. This time, medyo taas-taas na siya guys. Pero kinahanglan dapat ato siyang i-follow. So, according sa ato ang instruction, we need to access the switch to. And para as you can see, the current situation sa switch to down tanan iyang port from if A port or fast ethernet 011, 018, and 06. Muna siya guys, unsaon pag pa-up para mo green siya, ano yung mo green. So first of all, atong i-configure FT, dayon change the interface, and short for interface, F or FA, pwede ra 06 specific port, then switch port, mode access, mode access, and no shutdown. Okay, pwede ra po ka mag-change interface, di ba? Ginatudloan ako sa inyo, basta nung naglipog mo. Pwede ra po mo mag-type og exit or pwede ra po ka mag-switch automatic from another interface. This time, ako siya ipakita. 11, then switch port, then mode, access, no shutdown. Okay, completion mode to 22%. Pwede ra po, as you can see, iyara pong ipakita dire. Okay niya, ato rang i-continue. Interface F, then 018. Okay, kita ninyo guys. Si 06 and 11, na-configure na to. That's why nag-green na ang iyang cable. So, the last one is FA 0 or Fast Ethernet 018 na port. Then switch port, mode, access. No, shut na. Okay. And then according sa instruction, we need to enable user ports on PC2. Since si PC2 pa itong nauna, so kinahanglan na to i-configure ning duha ka switch. So, let's go faster. ConFT, short for configure terminal. I'm sorry. Erase ako sa F. Okay. Interface F06, switch port, mode, access, no shut na. Another interface F011, then switch port, mode, access, no shut. Another one, interface F018, switch port, mode, access, then no shut. Okay. So you can see, up na tanan ang iyahang ports. Now, let's go back to our instruction. According sa atong instruction, need daw na to i-check ang BTP status. So, kung na-configure ba og tarong. So, as you can see, according sa iyang iyang output based sa instruction naka-server sila tanan. So kinahanglan daw nato i-change ang every switch according sa instruction. So i-access nato si switch 1 first. So change Cisco, then win A, enable, class, password, then connect. Then change the VTP mode or server. VTP, then mode, VTP mode server. Then other one, VTP domain is our log 4. Then VTP password, Cisco, then okay, manatag configure ang switch 1. Let's do sa ato ang switch 2. Connect to, connect to, then BTP mode, client, then BTP domain has log 4. Then BTP password, Cisco, then last one, the switch 3. So, and first, connect to, then BTP server or mode first, then transparent, then BTP domain, log 4, the last one, BTP password, Cisco, that, and okay, completion mode to 34%. So, manata sa ito ang BTP configuration or each switch. So, let's move forward to configuring the trunk. So, this time, since under man siya sa management, so need na to i-change si F01. As you can see, down pa ang iyahang kwan. Si F01, under siya ni switch 2. So, duwa na sila ka port, same og port number. F0101, F2, F02 o F02 from switch 3. So first, need na to. So na naman ta sa ato ang switch 3. Now na lang ako si switch 3. From FT, the change interface to F02, F02, then switch port, mode, trunk, then switch port, trunk, native, VLAN, 99. Okay. Then, and go back to switch 1. So, sa switch 1, duha ka buka to ang i-change since under siya si port F01 and port 02. So, FT, then change the interface 01 or 02. Pindi nimo unsa mo ang unahon. Pero this time, nauna ko sa 02. Then, switch port, mode, then trunk, switch port, trunk, native, VLAN 99. Then another switch interface to F01. Okay. Switch port, mode, trunk, switch port, trunk, native, dayon, VLAN 99. Okay, mga ta sa ato ang switch 1. Duha ka port, 02 o 01. Next is ato ang ano ah, ay, sorry. Nakalimot na ikaw no shutdown. Pastilan. Con FT, Change interface. First is the 02. Then, no shutdown. That's why nakita na ko nga down pang iyahang um, iyahang cable. So, change na ko ang luwa. So, contact P, change interface to F02. Then, no shutdown. Okay, up na since nag-orange na. So, let's proceed to next. And F01. Then, no shutdown. Okay, according sa iyang instruction, kinanglan ta mag-type at the end, no shutdown. Pero wala na nako gi-retype balik since na-configure naman nato. So, next, see, switch to FT, dayon, change interface, F01, no shutdown. Okay, okay, up na ang duwa ka port gikan sa source from para mag-connect si PC1 padulong sa switch 2, go to the go to switch 1, then proceed to switch 3, paingon sa destination location to point to point if ever, or broadcast or multicast. So it's up to the user. Kinsa to yung gatagan. Okay, step 5, configure port security on each switch. So, yang gi-specify dire si switch 2 and switch 3 lang. O, access layer switch. So, unsa man nga mga port 06, 11, and 18. So, mo ni siya guys. 06, 18, then 11. So, first na to button is, so, as like I've said, pwede ratang mag-change dire. And F06, then switch port security, enter switch port security, maximum 1, na nakusayop daw. Ay, sorry. Sayop, maximum 1, then switch port security, MAC address, then stick. Then another interface, F011, then switch port security, enter switch port security, maximum 1, switch port security, MAC address stick. Then another one, switch port F018, then um, ito ba, 18, last one, switch port security, then switch port security, maximum 1, and switch port security, MAC address. Okay, completion move to 48%. So wala pa tanaw man, 2 ug 3 daw. Same gyapon dere. And F06, then switch port security, switch port security, maximum 1, switch port security, MAC address, sticky. Then another F011, switch port security, diamond, enter switch port security, maximum 1, then switch port security, MAC address, stick. Then the last port from switch 3. So F018, then switch port security, switch port security, maximum one, switch port security, not address, STP. Okay, that's all for switch 2 and switch 3. So let's move to our next steps. So step 6, kinanglan i-configure ang HVLAN. So wala pa daw naka-rename. So under sa instruction yun siya, go to switch 1, rename HVLAN. So si VLAN 99 under siya sa management. Go to switch 1, na exit. If gusto ka mo balik, kung example kung end, mubalik ta sa pinaka-execute. Kung FP, example lang siya guys. Int F06. So, nag-change nag-interface. Pero kinanglan ta mo balik sa config or config terminal. So, pwede ra po mag-type ni mo end, pero mabalik na sad ka, pero pwede ra po exit. Isa ra kabalikan or mura siya directory nga isa lang ka directory iyang iba. Okay. VLAN 99, then name, management. Okay. Another exit, then VLAN 10, name, faculty dash staff, diba? Then, para di ka magbalik-balik, VLAN 20, then VLAN 20, under siya ang student, name, students with S. Then, exit, VLAN 30, name, yes. Exit. Okay. Completion move to 61%. So, if ever maumanta dire niya, bata ninyo completion is wala siya kaabot sa 100%. So, check na tong result. If namanggid tayo na or na-miss nga instruction. So, i-open daw na to. Since na-name na nato ang, or na-rename na nato ang S1, need daw nato tan-awon si S2 ug S3 kung naka-rename mo gid sila. So, balik ta. Type na tong N. So, show VLAN. Since VLAN na to ang i-configure, then brief. Okay. Ito ang i-expand. So, si VLAN, switch to, na-rename na ang iyahang VLAN according sa yang VLAN ID. So, dili na ta mo sulod diya. Pero, as you can see, kita ninyo diri sa inyong instruction, si switch 3 wala daw na rename. So, wala, dili siya parehaan eh. So, wala to diri. So, kinahanglan ta adto sa itong switch 3 sa ato ang i-show bilang brief. Brief. So, wala naka-rename ang each VLAN ID. So, need na to siya i-configure. So, naog to diri sa step 9. Dili naman ni siya importante guys. Kung inyong basahon, according sa instruction is mag-create ta og VLAN. Pag mag-create ta og new nga VLAN, dito sa S2, dili siya pwede. Ngano nga? At the first place, giset na to iyang mode to client. So, dili ta pwede ma-rename. Pero lahi si switch 3 since nakakuan siya as transparent. Pero dili kita mag-focus ani iya lang gi kita or gi view na pwede ta mag-create under ang switch 3. So let's proceed to task or step 9. Manually configure the VLAN name. So upgrade to configure terminal. Then change the VLAN name to VLAN 99 name management. Okay, easy. Change the VLAN. Tanawa ninyo guys. If ever mag-type mo para dili ka madugay. Usually di ka madugay kay yang i-verify kung available ba to nga command. So if ever masayop ka, mag-loading na sad. So if dili siya mag-loading, i-view ra niya asa ka na sayop. O VLAN 10, name, faculty, then /staff. Next, exit, VLAN 20, name, students. Then exit, another one, or the last one, VLAN 30, name, yes. Then exit, 60, completion move to 63%. Let's uh, move to step 10. Configure management interface access in all three switches. So, wala pa ta naghatag o IP address nga para sa switch. So, this time, ingon siya, change the IP addressing table using the default or the given IP address from each switch. So, i-access na to first is switch 1, config F, or change the interface to F or VLAN. VLAN 99. Then, IP add. Pwede ra pod IP address. IP add 172.17.99.11. Submit mask 255.255.255.0. So, continue lang guys, even na ay ni bago ni pop up. Then, click enter or hit enter. Then, no shutdown. Pulang S. Ngayon, proceed to another switch. Change to configure terminal. And interface VLAN 99. Ngayon, next one is IP add 172.17.99.12. Subnet mask 255.255.255.0. Then, let's proceed to switch 3. Switch 3. Change na to yung interface to VLAN 99. Then, IP add 172.17.99.13. 255.255.255.0. Then, go. Okay. Completion move to 70%. Okay. Move forward to step 11. Assign switch port to VLAN. So, this time, each switch. So, ningon siya dere, wala pa naka-assign ang IP range. Kung saan ng IP range? Or interface range from Fast Ethernet 6 to Fast Ethernet 10 until 10, under siya sa switch 30. So, balik ta sa addressing table. Muna siya, guys. Muna ito ang ginapalo. Si 06, padulong sa 10, is under siya kang VLAN 30. Yes. So, down, balik ta dito sa 11. 11 na to. I-access na to si switch 3. Switch 3, change na nato ang IP range. So, interface, then magbutang pag range. Fast Ethernet or FA. So, pwede na po siya i-follow kaning iyahang gihatag. Pwede ra pod ninyo i-follow kani akong itudlo. 06-10, pwede ra po magbutang FA dire, then zero slash. So this time, gusto nga ko tudluan mo og mas dali. Interface, then range, then switch port, access, VLAN, then VLAN ID. Then another interface, with A or range first, with A or F, 0, 11, 217, 217, switch port, access, VLAN, 10, then another interface, range, F, 018, then 24, switch port, access, VLAN, 20. So ako, basin na mali tanya, para di na madugay. Then, enter, type N, then copy, running, startup, config. And okay. Um, since na-configure na nato si switch 3, need na to i-configure na po si switch 2. Nga naman, kay pareha raman sila o port ID. Port ID, muna siya ang FA11, FA11, FA18, FA18, FA06, o A06. So, need na to. Pero, base yung instruction, pareha naman. So, ito ang i-configure. And, range, then, F06, dash 10, switch port, access VLAN 30. Yeah. Another one, range F0, 11, dash 17, then switch port, says VLAN 10, then switch port for another internet or interface range, and F018 dash 24, then switch port access VLAN 20, then type and tama ba ko? Okay, 98%. Then after that, copy, running, startup. Okay, according to the instruction, completion percentage should be 100%. If ever dili daw maabot, i-check na to ang result. Check result, asa ka na sa iyo, asa ka na kulang. So sa S2, natay sayo sa pag-abot sa VLAN native, wala na to na set sa switch 2 sa port 01. O mora mo siguro. Okay. Ingon sa switch 2 si port 01. Wala daw na to na. Kung ato ni siyang screenshot, snippet, kung na mo snippet, snipping tool, muna akong gamit para dili ko magsigil balik sa instruction. So, close na ko niya. Switch 2. Na daw ko sa flore. Contact P, change internet to F01. Wala daw na po na-configure ang VLAN nga native. So, man tong VLAN nga native. Ano ni siya, guys? Ito, ano siya? Medyo na-miss daw na po na configuration. So, switch port, mode, trunk, switch port, trunk, native, VLAN 99, then no. Okay, that's all. That's how we solve the basic VTP configuration 4.4.1. Okay, completion 100%.